Okay, hello, greetings and welcome. So I'll update on what's happening with the workshops and training locations and so forth. We're leaving Mexico soon and heading back to Asia. So the workshops will be available in Japan as soon as they become open, and Thailand. We may be spending some time in Vietnam as well, but we'll see what the visa requirements are and so forth. And then I'll do an update video as soon as I've got tickets and we're there. So I won't be giving as much notice for the workshops coming up later in the year because the countries have shorter visa periods, like Thailand's 30 days and Vietnam's 30 days and so forth. I believe when Japan opens it'll still be 90-day visas, but we'll update you as soon as we're there. But I've had a few people who want to come and train from July, August, September, around that date. So for you guys, as soon as I've purchased my tickets, I'll let you know, and there'll only be a few weeks' notice to the start of those workshops. For those of you who are comfortable with that, drop me an email that you're interested in, and you can attend a workshop on relatively short notice. I'll let you know as soon as possible via YouTube and email that that's the case. Our teaching syllabus now is split into 6 different courses. So we've got the Qigong first, intrinsic energies, the Hermetic initiation process, evocation, Kabbalah, and teacher training. So I'll be running that whole series of workshops again towards the end of the year, the last 3 months of the year, and but again, location will depend on the stability of how COVID's affecting travel and so forth. If you have any questions about it, just drop me an email, and keep an eye on YouTube, and I'll update you guys as soon as I can. Okay, thanks for your time, and see you soon.